Zemi Beach, a true island hideaway, adrift in the Caribbean Sea. This boutique resort is situated on Anguilla, an intimate Caribbean island, surrounded by pristine white sandy beaches, warm turquoise waters, and a spectacular coral reef, one of the last true refuges, unspoiled and exclusive. Easily accessible from the US or Europe, this is a world apart, where rich history and simple, undeveloped landscapes combine with superb food and lively music. Think St. Bart's and Mustique, somewhere the world's famous faces come to unwind in peace and exclusivity. At 35 square miles, this island offers superb activities and pastimes, such as golf on the 18-hole championship course designed by Greg Norman, fantastic scuba diving and snorkeling on the many reefs and dive sites, and sailing to discover hidden coves or to visit neighboring islands. As every visitor discovers, Anguilla is the perfect destination for fine dining, as well as lively music and festivals which are not to be missed. And for those who want to venture even further, St. Martin is just 15 minutes by boat, whose bright lights, thriving casinos, and duty-free boutiques attract plenty of glamorous guests. Zemi Beach is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. The 73 1- to 3-bedroom residences lie in a spectacular setting, flanked on one side by a nature reserve and on the other by Shoal Bay Beach, named Best in the World by the Discovery Channel. A truly exquisite resort on one of the world's most exclusive islands. The beautifully finished freehold properties offer their owners two great luxuries combined: the service of a boutique hotel in a place you can call home. Because these properties are truly yours, private, secure, and a superb asset for the long term. When you acquire a Zemi Beach residence, you own a fully serviced property conceived by the Goldstein family, a household name in the U.S. real estate business for 45 years. The site has 73 residences, all with spectacular views of the Caribbean Sea or nature reserve, and each enjoying its own plunge pool. The property's design reflects a modern take on classic Caribbean style, using details inspired by the setting. The result is a unique resort with an intimate tone. Natural indigenous materials are preferred, such as coral stone, hardwoods, and clay tiles with decorative features. The residences have fully equipped open-plan kitchens, and each property has its own terrace, perfect for breakfast or having cocktails with friends overlooking the beach. Design and construction of Zemi Beach made sustainability a priority from the outset. Indigenous plants on the site were first carefully removed and stored for replanting when construction is complete. Coastal areas remain untouched, and lighting at beach level is designed not to disturb nesting turtles. Service at Zemi Beach is second to none. All day and night, the resort staff have one priority: to ensure your stay is perfectly and effortlessly comfortable. The concierge service provides everything you could wish for, such as transportation around the island, dinner reservations, or even a casino trip to nearby St. Martin. Service does not just start when you enter the gates. As well as having your residence prepared for your arrival, the team at Zemi Beach can rent your property out while you're away, ensuring every little thing is taken care of. For a healthy mind and body, Zemi Beach offers excellent spa facilities modeled on an elegant island great house. The 2,800 square foot spa has 4 private treatment rooms, indoor and outdoor pools with elevated gazebos, a health bar, jacuzzi, and plunge pools. There is also a 1,350 square foot glass-walled gym featuring state-of-the-art Nautilus equipment. Outside, a yoga terrace affords spectacular views to see. Come day or night, Zemi Beach offers a relaxed but exclusive setting for gastronomy, created by top international chefs at 3 different restaurants. The first is for fine dining, serving fresh, locally sourced seafood. The second is the grill station in the Coconut Palm Courtyard, offering freshly grilled meats, salads, pastas, and irresistible desserts. Finally, the beach deck offers breakfast, lunch, and dinner alongside top mixologists at the full-service bar, serving the widest possible range of cocktails and rums. Owning a residence at Zemi Beach comes with peace of mind guaranteed. In this setting of outstanding natural beauty, this exclusive resort has been created by an experienced team with a proven track record, whose previous achievements speak for themselves. This is a fleeting opportunity to own an exclusive and private home on one of the most beautiful beaches in the world. Zemi Beach will become one of Anguilla's most prized assets, something that has not gone unnoticed by those in the know. Zemi Beach, the perfect island hideaway.